Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Porchy Tech, and today I'm gonna be unboxing the Apple Watch Series 8 in the stainless steel version, and I'm gonna be doing a quick comparison to the Apple Watch Ultra, which I have on my hand here. I previously did an unboxing of the Apple Watch Ultra, which I have on the channel, so you can go ahead and check that out if you want to see it. All right, and I'm gonna be doing transferring the data from the current Apple Watch SE, which is the first gen Apple Watch SE, to the new Series 8 stainless steel gold. All right, so let's get into the video. So I'm just gonna go through this unboxing really quick because I'm pretty much sure there's a lot of people who just do unboxing, but I'm gonna be doing the setup and transfer, so I don't want to be doing the unboxing for too long. So first off, this is the band that it comes with. This is this gold stainless steel Milanese loop, and here it is. Okay, and it's the 41 millimeter, which is listed on the box here. So let's go ahead and open this first, and here is the band right here. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna take the band out, just rest it here for now, and get the band package out of the way. And here we have the box where the watch comes in. Let's open this. So here we go. It comes with regular stuff. The instructions, papers are really never pay these any mind. Get that out of the way. Charging cable. This is probably never gonna get used because we have used the charging stand that has the charging station for the watch, earpods, and everything. So let's put that aside. And now let's get to the big boy, the watch. So here it is. Sorry about the noise in the background. That my kids there messing around. So here we go, 41 millimeter stainless steel gold. Let's get it out here and see what it looks like. And here is the watch, nice and shiny. Okay, so let's get this box out of the way here. So this is the current watch that my wife has, which is the SE, and this is the gold version, and this is the Series 8, the stainless steel gold. All right, so what we're gonna do, I'm gonna do a comparison with the Ultra, but before I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and power this up and transfer the data to this watch first so you can see the process. So let's go ahead and power this on. Okay, just let it boot up. So this here, you're gonna see this on the watch the first time it boots up, which means you're just gonna bring your phone closer to the watch and it's gonna actually pop, a notification is gonna pop up on your phone. All right, so let me just put the pin in here, get it open, and you should see it really pop up on the screen. Here it is. So it's gonna say use your iPhone to set up this Apple Watch, and you're gonna hit continue. Okay, and you're gonna have set up for myself, so that's the option you're gonna select here. And then you're gonna see this galaxy looking thing on the watch, so you're gonna hold it in this box right here, make sure it's properly aligned, bring it a little closer, and it's gonna say that your watch is paired. So here's where you're gonna have to pay attention. So it has your you're gonna make this your new Apple Watch, which means you're gonna transfer from the old one to the new one. So we're gonna go ahead and hit continue. All right, so it says connecting to your Apple Watch. It may take a moment, which it does, so let's just wait it out. Okay, so now here's the terms and conditions screen. You're just gonna hit agree. And so it says signing into your account. So this is going to take a few minutes. Okay, so it says to create a passcode on the watch. This, I'm not going to create a passcode at the moment, so I'm going to add don't add passcode. Okay, so it's going to have all your personal information here, which is your date of birth and your height and whatever that you put in the SOS system. So I'm going to go ahead and hit continue. Hit continue again. And now we're going to go ahead and set up cellular. So we're going to hit set up cellular here. And it's going to pop up a screen which is going to ask you if you want to have a new line or you're going to transfer. So this is going to be a transfer. So I'm going to hit continue. Hit transfer and then hit continue. So make sure you select the right option, which is transfer, which is the first option, and then you hit continue. If it's a new watch, then you're gonna hit add new line. So it says thank you for your purchase, which means that the data line, the LTE line from the old watch is now gonna be on the new one. So we're gonna hit continue setup. So it says installing, will be ready soon, and we're gonna hit continue here. Always on display, we're gonna hit continue. So now Apple Watch is syncing, which is gonna transfer all your data from the watch system that is backed up on your phone to the new watch. So let's just wait and see. Okay, so it says device added to your account, which is your Apple ID. So let's go ahead and hit OK. Let me put the band on in the meantime. So with the band, when you're putting on the band, you're gonna make sure that this at the bottom here, which is the one, you see these black slots here on the watch, you're gonna look for the one that's blank, which is pretty much the color of the watch tip, and that part is gonna face down. So you put it in like this. So this is one side, and then we're gonna do the same on the other side. Just make sure these tabs line up. It's always different from the other ones are always black, and this is gonna have a different look. So that's how you know when his face is down and the other one's in. So there we go, and you hear the click. All right, so let's open up the phone, put the passcode in, and it's gonna take a while to sync. Okay, so now you can see it's on the home screen on the watch, and everything that was on the old one. Okay, so this would like to know, okay, send notifications. So we're gonna just hit allow here, and okay, so here it is. This is the home screen on the Apple Watch on the new Series 8 that we just set up. We just transfer the data from the old one to the new Apple Watch, and as you can see, it's the same home screen. Okay, so same home screen, everything that was on this old watch is now over on the new one. And you can see a huge difference on the display. You can see how the bezels on the SE were really thick compared to this one. It has a little, what I call this, a waterfall effect on the screen where it laps over a little bit. Looks way better and brighter and pops better. So now I'm gonna just do a quick comparison to the Ultra. And as I said, I have the unboxing of the Ultra on my channel as well, so you can go ahead and check that out if you want to see the unboxing and setup of the Ultra. So I transferred all the data from my Series 5 to the Ultra. You can see that as well in the video. So here it is. This is the size comparison, and it's like way bigger. The Ultra is way bigger, and depending on your hand size, I'm not sure, but if you're deciding between stainless steel and Ultra, it's hopefully you can see the difference in the thickness right here as well. Ultra is way thicker. So, and the color, if you were thinking the gold stainless steel is close to the titanium on the Ultra, it's really not. It's a huge difference. So that's how they look color wise. So hopefully this will help you out a little bit if you're trying to decide between the two. And the flat screen on the Ultra as well compared to the rounded edges on the Series 8. Okay, so that was the unboxing and setup of the Series 8 stainless steel, transferring the data from the first generation SE to the new one. So hopefully if you're looking for a video to assist you in doing that on your own, hopefully this video helps you out. Okay, so I'm gonna do a video of me unpairing, showing you how to unpair your watch before you sell it or hand it off to someone, and setting up this watch on another phone whenever if you want to hand it over to someone and do a setup for them. So look out for that video. Subscribe, turn your notification bell on to get notified when that video drops on this channel. Okay, so thank you for watching. Remember, hit that notification bell, subscribe to my channel, and peace.